Alright, what is up guys? Thank you for clicking on this video, and today we are working on Marcus's fucking Z. I'll put his Instagram right here so you can follow him, but I haven't made a video on this in a minute, and as you can see, he has different wheels, better fitment, custom headlights, blacked with some purple to match the wheels, and then this Hot Boy fiberglass front bumper that is that far off the ground, and this thing's pretty hot. But today what we're going to be doing is the back of his car just, you know, doesn't match the front. It's not aggressive at all. He's got a single exit Tomei now and not dual exit, so he's got that shitty little fucking exhaust cutout or whatever. So what we have right here is a Dremel, and we're going to experiment and see what it looks like if we cut right here on this body line. He has a friend that's done it before. I'll throw in a picture right here so y'all can see. But we're gonna go ahead and trim that up right there and hopefully get a somewhat more aggressive rear end for his Z. You know what time it is? Depreciation time, baby. Damn, bro. Probably have to take the bumper off to take that foam out, though. Bro, I honestly like it a lot. kind of aggressive. Bro, you can see the whole exhaust, too.
That's what I was like going for. You can see the Tomei.
The whole damn exhaust.
I think it's pretty cool. Just gotta get that fucking foam and clean it up.
Yeah. Hang that wire up.
Get rid of this piece.
It's just held on by two pops.
It'll look pretty good after me.
Yeah, clean it up a little bit. We are doing everything we can to not take the bumper off. We like ripped it down part of the way. Still got
the lip, you know where the bumper is right here, the actual bumper piece?
Yeah, the bar.
It's lipped over it.
Hell yeah.
That's why it's not.
Alright, we have taken drastic measures. Hold up. A fucking butcher knife to cut. Because we do not. Oh! So far, so good. Boy putting in work. Hit up our boy at Cut Code.
Well, it's pushed up in there now.
Yeah, that. I can barely see a lump, but
I'm wondering if I can cut. Wow.
See, there's like a little penis that sticks inside of the thing we had to pop off, and then it's got a lip. Let me go up underneath this bitch. Don't cut my ass. Yeah, you can see the boy just fucking stabbing the fuck out of it.
Not getting anywhere,
but
really.
It goes over this lip on the aluminum bar, and we can't pull it through. So we are
we're too lazy to pull the bumper off right now.
But not lazy enough to not to cut this bitch with a fucking knife. But
we're really working harder right now, but
well, we don't want to grab the tools and jack it up. This man's fitment's too tight to even try to get up in there. So here's a nice That one barely hangs down. Maybe it'll push the exhaust side up a little bit, but not too bad. Yo, so here we are. We got the fucking hoopties, but we can see how it looks. Pretty hot. You see like that weird cover thing? It'd be funny if you put like that sticker on it, like my tattoo on my leg. I don't know if y'all can see it. Put like that on the fucking back. But that Tomei is poking out now, brother. Hell yeah. Let me bend the fucking license plate, dude. You ain't fucking Zokusha enough.
So you selling that?
Alright, well my camera ended up dying and it got super dark and I didn't know what else to put out there, so you pretty much saw everything. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Follow my 2 Instagrams right here. I'll put a picture of what it looks like in the daytime that he posted on his Instagram. So if y'all are considering do a bumper cut on your Z or whatever on your vehicle, I think it looks pretty cool. I'm back at home now a day later and we can see what the bumper cut looks like on my car. You know, I had it coming down about here and I cut it off. I like the exposed, you know, license plate look mainly, but hopefully y'all enjoyed watching that. Like, subscribe, and motherfucking peace.